Hello beautifuls, if you want to get beautiful looking, naturally shining skin, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel and watch the video till end, because in this video I will be talking about my skincare that I do in a week. I'm gonna show you very few and simple steps to get a beautiful, clean, smooth and glowing skin that you can do at home by yourself. Skincare is the most important part of your skin routine. When your skin is healthy and shiny, you do the best makeup on it. When your skin is healthy, well prepped, primed, and it glows from within, you get the best makeup look. Whatever you put on your face as a makeup, it will look fabulous. If you want to look fabulous, keep watching the video till end and don't forget to like and subscribe. To get a beautiful makeup look, you have to have a clean canvas. Means your skin should be very well moisturized, prepped, exfoliated and hydrated. It is very important. Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about my skincare routine. The most important thing I do is exfoliate. Exfoliation is most important part of the skincare, and I use this Pixie peel and polish. Most people don't know how to use it. You apply a very fine and thin layer over your face and leave it for just 30 seconds to 1 minute so that it can actually start working. And there you go. Especially the parts where you feel the most darkness. Like mine are over here. I have this dark area. And I have a combination skin, so I need different products for different areas of my face. This is really important to understand what is your skin type. How do you feel when you wake up in the morning? That is the most important part, to recognize your skin type. When you wake up, do you observe oil in your T-zone? Then you have a combination skin. If you feel oil all over your face, definitely an oily skin. And if you cannot judge the oil on your face, take a tissue paper and put it over your face the first thing you wake up in the morning. The moment you put it on your face, all the oil will be absorbed in the tissue paper. And that tissue will tell you where you are most oily. And now, after applying it for 30 seconds, I go in with circular motions. Pixie Peel and Polish is a very good product. It has very tiny granules, very gentle, very gentle. You have to go in circular motions very lightly. Do not pressurize on your skin. Do not put pressure. No, very gently. If you feel it's dry, you can take a little bit of water and reapply. It'll help you give very nice, smooth, shining skin. Don't forget to cover all the areas, especially under the chin, around your lips, on your nose, forehead. Circular motions upwards. Give it a nice 2 to 3 minutes of massage. And sides over here, circular. Fine. Now I am ready to wash it off, but do not scrub your eyes. Avoid your eye area. No contact with any chemical product should come with your eyes. Let me wash and I'll be back. Now, as you can see, my face is still wet. I'm gonna pat dry it very gently. As I have scrubbed my face, so I should be very gentle with it. The next step I'm gonna do, I'm going to use an instant detox mask from Bubblegum. This is a clay mask. It is very pretty. I mean, it's very smooth on application, it gives amazing result. As you can see, let me show you close in the camera, that my skin after exfoliation is very clean now, way better. I'm gonna take it on my finger, the detox mask, and I'm gonna apply a thin layer. As my skin type is combination, I tend to get oily and I have huge pores. Huge means huge. Very huge pores, big pores around my nose, this part, and this is where the most oil comes. Most people think that they have oily skin, they don't need moisturizer. Where they stand wrong. When your skin is producing more oil, it means it is needing more oil. It has to produce, as our body is capable of producing and creating anything to everything. Means we can create happiness and joy and health out of our selves by self. To dry completely, it'll take around 10 to 15 minutes under the fan, and without the fan it'll take 15 to 20 minutes, and I'll be sitting without a fan and waiting it to dry. While the mask is drying, I'm trying to keep my mouth shut because any movement will make lines like crow's feet, while the drying of the mask is going to make my skin tighter. So I don't want any lines, not until next 30 years. So I'm gonna keep shut and wait until it dries, and I'll be back and I'll show you, and then I'll wash you. I'll wash my face, not you. I'm gonna wash my face. That's a good one. I'm gonna come back and show you after it dries out, and I'll clean right here in front of you and show you how beautiful radiant skin comes out. As I showed you after the mask was dried off, that it had opened all the pores. This is such a good mask. It is detoxifying, it cleans the skin thoroughly from deep within and gives you a clean, radiant, nice and glowing skin. First I dampened the cloth and made my whole face wet, the mask wet again, so it can come out easily. You don't have to scrub. Very gently I'm doing it. I'm not putting any pressure. It's very gentle motion. It's completely clean now. I'm going to wait for my face to dry on its own, as the water is the natural toner. So it tones down my face along with drying. I'm using this hand fan to speed up the process. Looking good, isn't it? My skin looks so neat and clean, so shiny, so smooth, and I feel tightness in my skin. It's like a new skin has shown underneath. Now that my skin has dried out, I use a couple of different things, and it depends upon personal choice what you would like to use. I have started recently using the ordinary niacinamide. It's a very good product, but right now I won't be using it. I'm just showing you. I use it at night. It helps control the excess oil, and it's making my skin really smooth. And this is another product. It's a very good. It's a bomb. It's a bomb. The ordinary original. It's 5%. Not many people know about this. This is chota packet bada dhamaka. It is very good. It is completely 100% plant derivative. It is rich in antioxidants. Yes, you heard me right. Like we all have been using vitamin C of different brands. I use this these days, FCLC Scape. This tiny bottle, 2 to 3 drops when I mix in my vitamin C, it boosts the vitamin C. Yes, and it works more than it is supposed to, and it has given me a very clean, brighter skin. It is a little oily when applied alone, but when I mix it with my vitamin C serum, I'm going to show you how I mix it up. I take 1 to 1.5 pump of my FCLC Scape, and then I take 2 to 3 drops. That's it. That is it. That's how much you need. All you have to do is mix it up in your palm and apply all over your face. Do not worry, the red color will disappear as soon as you start massaging over your face. Right now my skin is feeling very tight from the detox mask, as it is completely cleaned and taken away all the oil which I really needed in monsoon weather. You don't want to look oily. Now see, such a beautiful shine it has given. Completely massage it up. It will disappear in no time. Don't forget the neck. Circular motions upwards on your face and on your forehead. Massage until it completely vanishes. It absorbs in your skin like air, thin air, like it's gone. After that, I use my Belief Balm. It's Aqua Balm. It's a great moisturizer for combination and oily skin. It is very beautiful. It is very mild fragrance, very mild. And as soon my face has absorbed the goodness of vitamin C, I directly apply some moisturizer to keep my skin hydrated. Now I take it in my palms, rub it to warm it up, and I apply it. I apply to the T-zone at the last, when the most of the product is absorbed in the rest of the parts. Do not forget your eyes. You don't need a separate eye cream. Moisturizer is enough. You can apply your moisturizer all over your eyes and under the eyes. It does the same job. You don't have to buy separate eye creams. That's a gimmick. So once the moisturizer absorbs into my skin, I let it dry and I wait about 2 to 5 minutes before applying my makeup. And I love putting this lip crayon on my lips. It's from MAC. Beautiful color, gives me like a natural shine to my lips, and it is very hydrating. It works as a lip balm. Very beautiful. I will be mentioning all the products I had used in my video in the description box. And after that, it's time for me to get ready, do my makeup, to follow my makeup routine and to learn different makeup, don't forget to catch me on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.